This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Get ready to call this 2-halves villa home. Loads of features include over 1,500 square feet, high-end wood-look vinyl flooring throughout, stainless steel appliances, wide open floor plan, screened patio, private, fenced yard and loads of closet space. Owner replacing counters tops with white quartz and kitchen sink with stainless steel sink. Pull downstairs to finished attic offers a ton of extra storage. Feels like a single family home without the hassle. These villas don't come up often and are beautifully maintained. Rapid HOA approval. Walk to neighborhood schools. Close to eateries, hospital, shopping and major highway access. All age community. Must have good credit. Owner prefers no pets. Community offers pickleball, tennis, tot lot and community pool. This won't last. For more information, review the details below.